Virtual backgrounds aren't just for hiding a messy room. They're a simple way to add fun and personality to your Google Meet calls. If you want to try it out, here's a quick step-by-step guide to changing your background in Google Meet. First, join a Google Meet call. Click on the 3 vertical dots at the bottom to open the settings menu. Select Background and Effects. Here you can blur your background and choose from pre-existing backgrounds. Now to upload your own funny or personalized virtual background, click the plus icon to upload. After selecting or uploading your background, you will see it in the video preview. Once everything looks great, close the settings window. We've prepared 20 funny Google Meet backgrounds you can use to add some humor and personality to your next call. Click the link below to download your favorites and try them out in your next meeting. Once you've picked your favorite background and set the right mood for your meeting, make it even more productive with Tactiq. It's a free Chrome extension that works with Google Meet, Zoom, and Microsoft Teams to capture live transcripts. Create AI-powered summaries and highlight key points, all while you focus on the conversation. Try Tactiq free at tactiq.io and subscribe for more Google Meet tips and tricks.